So you might have saw an ad at the beginning of this video, and I'm really hoping you clicked it because your girl is monetized. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys may have noticed an ad at the beginning of my video because your girl is officially monetized on YouTube, and I'm so excited, and I wanted to come on here to share my journey with you guys and how I got monetized and the tips and tricks that I used and how you could use these same tips, tricks, and strategies to monetize your YouTube channel as well. So if you're ready to begin, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so yes, I am officially monetized on YouTube and I am so excited. I officially got monetized on June the 25th, 2020. I got the email from YouTube and this is what the email looks like, and it pretty much just says, congratulations, you are monetized on YouTube and you can now start to run ads, which means you can start to make money. Now if you are an upcoming YouTube channel or you just started your YouTube channel and you're looking to get monetized, you guys all know what those channel requirements are. First of all, you need 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you also need 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. So within the last 365 days, you need 4,000 public watch hours, which is a lot of hours if we're being honest. And you also need to make sure you have a Google Adsense account, and you have to make sure your country allows for ads to be shown in front of your videos or throughout your videos, which I think is most countries anyway. So yeah, those are the channel requirements. And just to give you guys a little background about my channel, I started my channel way back in the day. I started my YouTube channel I think in 2013 or 2014, and at that time you could be monetized without the channel requirements. You didn't have to have 4,000 watch hours and you didn't have to have 1,000 subscribers. And so I used to be monetized way back in the day, but of course when YouTube launched that you now need to have channel requirements, I no longer met those requirements because I kind of stopped making YouTube videos at the time. So they did take me off of the program, and so I kind of had to start all over and reapply to get back into the YouTube partnership program. So I just wanted to share this journey with you guys and tell you some of the things that I did to get all of my 4,000 watch hours, because I didn't really have any because I wasn't making videos for years. So I'm going to talk to you guys about what I did and how I did it and what you can do to also get your channel monetized. Okay, so first things first, you need to have 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. And if you are making content and you are posting regularly, I promise this will be the easiest part for you to do. I find that it's so easy to get subscribers because once you're posting really good content that people want to watch, they're going to subscribe to your channel because they're going to want to see more from you. So for me, I had already had the 1,000 subscribers from before because, like I said, I had a YouTube channel from before. So I already had the 1,000 subscribers, but the 4,000 watch hours was the hardest thing for me because that is a lot of time for people to be watching your videos. And so what I started doing is I started posting longer videos, because the longer your video, the more watch minutes you'll have, which means you'll get your watch hours faster. So if you go into your analytics, you'll see how long people are watching your videos for on average. And if you're finding that people are only watching maybe 20 to 30% of your video, if you start posting longer videos, 20 to 30% of that longer videos will mean more watch minutes, which means you'll get more watch hours. So I've tried to make my videos at least 10 minutes long now, so that when people are watching those videos, let's say they're not watching through the whole thing, at least I got a good chunk of watch minutes out of that video. Another thing with posting videos that are at least 10 minutes long means that once you do finally get monetized, you could actually have ads throughout that video. So you definitely want to have that because it means that you have more chances to create a better revenue from those ads. So I highly recommend that you start posting longer videos. Now, posting a longer video does not mean just posting fluff or like a black screen or just random stuff. You want people to actually be watching your videos, because you can post a long video, but if nobody's watching it, it's not going to help your watch minutes to then help your watch hours. So if you are posting a talk through video where you're talking, as long as you're giving really good content, as long as you're giving good substance in your videos, people will continue to watch, so you can get more watch minutes, which go into your watch hours. Something else that I've also been doing to help my channel is posting trending topics, you guys. And this video that I posted went crazy. This video almost has 50,000 views, and I posted it not too long ago. This video was actually the video that helped me get all of my watch hours so quickly. I literally went from 500 watch hours to over 4,000 watch hours just from this video. And so I highly encourage, if there is a trending topic that is going on, you guys hop on that trending topic as soon as you can, because I promise people are going to be searching it up, because people are going to want to be hearing about it, and your video will pop up. So that is exactly what I did. When I saw that Latoya Forever and Adam were breaking up, I made a video just talking about it. I had no idea the video was going to do so well, but I knew that it was a new topic, and I just wanted to give my 2 cents on the topic before it went, like, before everybody started talking about it. So I posted my video really early talking about their breakup or their divorce, and that video went crazy, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, it is crazy. YouTube can just pick up one of your videos and just start showing it to everybody. So that's why it is so important to stay consistent and to continue posting good content, because at any given time one of your videos could go viral. So of course, after I posted that video and I was looking at my analytics and I realized that my channel was starting to get closer to that 4,000 watch hours, I was trying to prepare myself to ensure that my channel was ready to be monetized, because I knew they were going to send my channel to review by YouTube so that I could get accepted into the YouTube partnership program. So I do think, because I was in the program before, the process went by really quickly for me, because once I hit those 4,000 watch hours, I literally got approved right after. And it's probably because I had already applied from before and they already knew my channel or had my channel on file. So that process went really quickly for me. But from watching other videos, I know that the process can take a while. It can take anywhere from a day to even a few weeks. So I highly recommend that you take a look at your channel just to make sure you are ready to monetize your videos as soon as you hit those channel requirements. And the number one thing that I would recommend is that you go ahead and make your Google Adsense account. Now, Google Adsense is actually what pays you for your ads on YouTube. So when you go over to Google Adsense, you just need to create an account, and it's very easy to create your account. And what they're going to do is they're actually going to send you a little piece of paper that has a verification code or PIN on it, and that is what you're actually going to enter into the Google Adsense account, and that is how they confirm that you are actually who you say you are. And they're going to ask you for your tax information, and they're going to ask you for your social insurance number or social security number and all that tax information, your address, your bank account, all that good stuff. They're going to confirm all that information with you so that you can actually get paid and the money can go directly into your account. So that process in itself can take quite a bit of time, just because Google is going to mail that document to you, and it could take a while for you to get that letter. So I would recommend getting all of that stuff done first, so that once you are monetized, you can right away start to run your ads and start to make some money and not have to wait for the Google Adsense account to be created. So if you are a new creator, you just made your YouTube channel, I would highly recommend you go and make your Google Adsense account right now so you can get the process going. So yes, you guys, now that I am monetized, I am so excited, because if you are an upcoming influencer or content creator, you know how important it is for you to create income streams, especially if this is something that you want to start doing full time. So I'm very excited to finally be monetized on YouTube, or to be monetized again on YouTube. And of course, once you are monetized, you do not start getting a paycheck until you reach the $100 threshold. So let's say for the month of June, I only make $15. I will not get paid that $15 in July. They will just apply that balance to my July balance, and let's say I make $50 in July. Well, now I have $50 plus $15, so now I'm at $65, and I won't get a paycheck until I reach $100. So just be mindful of that. You don't start making your money right away. You do have to reach the $100 threshold before you actually get paid, before they actually put the money in your bank account. So if you are a new channel, if you are a new YouTuber, you want to start becoming an influencer or a content creator, comment your channel down below so everybody can go and support. Talk about what your channel is about and what goals you want to achieve for your channel, so we can all just support each other. You know, small YouTubers unite. So definitely comment down below and leave your channel name and a little description of what your channel is, so everybody can go and support. Because let's say I'm looking for a cooking channel and you have a cooking channel, then I can check out your channel and I can subscribe to you to help you get your subscribers. And if I really like your videos, then you'll get watch minutes. So I highly encourage you guys to comment down below what your channel is, so we can start a little thread and we can help support each other, because We all know how difficult it can be to get your channel requirements up so that you can get monetized. But I promise, if you stay consistent and you post good content and you have good quality content, then I promise that you will definitely hit all the requirements so that you can get monetized on YouTube. Now, I know how discouraging it can be being a new YouTuber and you're trying to get monetized on YouTube and you don't have all the subscribers and you don't have all the watch hours, but I just want to let you guys know that it is possible for you guys to hit those goals. It is possible for you to meet those requirements. It just takes hard work and dedication and commitment to trying to get those watch hours. Once you're posting content, you will get subscribers and you will get watch time. So just be sure to be posting good quality content, things that people are interested in seeing. Try to post evergreen content. People are always looking to how to make cupcakes or how to curl your hair, things of that nature. People are always looking for, so be sure to post content like that, because I promise those are the things that people are going to be searching and watching, and that's what's going to help your watch minutes, which is also going to help your watch time as well. So I highly recommend that you guys just push through it. You guys can do it, because if I can do it, y'all can do it. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come in here briefly and just talk about what I did to get monetized. The trending video really worked for me, and I got a lot of watch hours from that video, and so I'm very excited. And I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who has been watching my channel and who has subscribed to me and who comments and those who interact with me. I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If there are any other questions that you guys have about the process of getting monetized on YouTube, then just leave those comments down below and I will answer them as good as I can. And yeah, that is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.